This is the homework video for Monday, 10/10/16. The homework is in your homework packet. You're going to do lesson 7, number 3. Remember not to copy. Also remember that tonight you're going to have some sketching to do. If the sketches aren't part of your homework, then you will not get credit for doing the homework and you'll have to come at lunchtime. Please make sure you tried to do the homework on your own before watching the video, and please make your changes and additions in ink. Okay, so we're supposed to decide whether each of these situations, A, B, or C, is positive slope, negative slope, or zero slope. I assume you already read the question and tried this on your own, so I'm not going to reread this situation. But you do need to have these sketches, and I do want you to write these ordered pairs as part of your homework. In this first situation, the time is on the x-axis, so I could call this the t-axis for time or the x-axis, and the elevation is on the y-axis. And this point right here represents 37,000. At 0 minutes, it's at 37,000 feet. It's cruising. We don't know for sure when it hit 37,000, so we're just going to say at the time that was monitored, it was 0. The first time it was monitored, it was 0. So at 0 minutes, it was 37,000. At 1 minute, it was 37,000. At 2 minutes, it was 37,000. If it's cruising, it means that it's just staying at 37,000. We don't know for how long, but until it does stop cruising, all the y values in our ordered pairs, this is an ordered pair, will be 37,000. Okay, that means that because you've got this straight line which has no steepness, that the slope is 0. B, the plane is descending at a rate of 1,000 feet. Now again, you have to sketch the graph. Y is the elevation and the x is the time in minutes. Now remember, we only need 2 points to make a line. I chose to assume, and you can assume whatever you want, that the plane was at 7,000 feet when it started descending, and then you could put this 37,000 like in the last one if you wanted to. It really doesn't matter. The problem doesn't give us an information to know when it started descending and what elevation it was at when it first started descending. So we have to make that up. So I said when it first started descending, before it began, it was at 7,000 feet. Therefore, the ordered pair is 0, 7,000. And then since I know that it's losing 1,000 feet, and I had only numbered to 6 on my time axis, I went ahead and did 6 times 1,000, and that's 6,000 feet. So that means that from 7,000, it's going to go down 6,000 feet. And if you take 6,000 away from 7,000, you get 1,000, which means that at 6 minutes, it's 1,000 feet. At 7 minutes, it will be on the ground. This is negative slope. Notice that again that I didn't put all the points in because there's no real use in doing that. You just want a couple points so that you can model the line and show what's happening, that it's going down 1,000 for every 1 minute. And in this last situation, it's ascending. That means going up, excuse me, at a rate of 2,000 feet every minute. So I started at 0, 0. I assumed the plane was on the ground, and then because I had counted to 7 on my time axis, 7 minutes, I did 7 times 2,000 to get 14,000. That means at 7 minutes, it's going to be at 14,000 feet. Therefore, this ordered pair represents 7 minutes. It's at 14,000 feet, and this is definitely positive slope. And your homework is done. Make sure you have the sketches. Have a great night. See you tomorrow.